Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, December 22, 2023. And today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's essential not to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Empower your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 on StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate with a score of 2.78. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 6.48%. This means that, on average, it has generated a daily return of 0.2% since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in a strong upward trend in the short term and shows signs of further growth within this trend. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential 16.25% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 10.91% to 20.56%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 34.7% change over the next year, with a potential return between 21.71% and 38.7%. This means the stock price could range from $235.64 to $268.52 after a year. Our latest update on Apple reveals that its stock experienced a decline of 0.555% on Friday. On the last trading day, Apple's stock price dropped from $194.68 to $193.60, marking a 3-day consecutive decline. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $192.97 and a high of $195.41, with a variance of 1.26%. In the past 10 days, the stock has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in a total decrease of 1.08%. Interestingly, the decrease in volume accompanied the decline in stock price, which is considered a positive sign as volume typically follows the stock. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 8 million shares on the last day, with a total of 36 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $6.93 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, Apple's stock reached its highest price at $199.62 and its lowest price at $124.17. Currently, the stock is 3.02% or $6.02 below its 52-week high and 15.18% or $34.66 below its all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the price soared to $228.26. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Apple Incorporated AAPL. On Monday, December 18, 2023, Wedbush provided an outperform grade for Apple, suggesting a positive outlook, while recommending a hold action. Moving on to Thursday, December 14, 2023, Citigroup gave Apple a buy grade, indicating a favorable assessment, but also suggested a hold action. On the same day, December 14, 2023, KeyBank assigned Apple a sector weight grade, which implies that it is expected to perform in line with the overall sector. However, they also recommended a hold action. Going back to Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush once again rated Apple as outperform, signaling a positive outlook, but with a hold recommendation. Lastly, on Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank assigned Apple a sector weight grade, indicating that it is projected to perform in line with the overall sector. They also suggested a hold action. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They consider the P/E ratio and price-to-book value as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In today's video, we'll be discussing the signals for Apple stock. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal for Apple, while the long-term average suggests a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this gives a positive forecast for the stock, indicating a general buy signal. If the stock continues to rise, it may face resistance at around $195.95 from the short-term moving average. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support at approximately $190.45 from the long-term average. Breaking above the short-term average will signal a buy, while breaking below the long-term average will indicate a sell. We have also observed some negative signals that may impact the stock's short-term development. A sell signal was identified from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 14, 2023, resulting in a 2.28% decline so far. This suggests a further fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal 7 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal 37 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 34 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see the short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 37 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Apple's stock. Let's start with support levels. Currently, the stock has support just below its current level at $181.82 and $176.65, as indicated by accumulated volume. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there is a risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $181.82 is broken, the next support levels would be $176.65 and $166.89. Moving on to risk, Apple's stock generally exhibits controlled movements and is considered to have low risk due to its good liquidity. On the last trading day, the stock had a price range of $2.44, representing a 1.26% fluctuation between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.25%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Apple, let's start by going over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is commonly observed in businesses with established track records or stable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report are at $2.08. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Apple. If you're looking for an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $197.57. It's a crucial level to watch, especially if you're considering entering a position. For those who already own shares, this could be a great opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $181.82. If this level holds, it might be a good entry point, as we could anticipate a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L., conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider buy of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Chris conducted an insider sell of 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -22.532. Overall, insiders purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. We strongly recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $184.97, representing a decrease of 4.46%. This particular stock exhibits minimal daily fluctuations, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 6 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it is likely that Apple stock presents a buying opportunity. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, December 26, we anticipate Apple stock to open up by $0.393 and start trading at $193.99. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please note that StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you accept full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we present our current view on this stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. Also, let us know what target you have in mind for this stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.